Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered why does it rain today and not tomorrow? What triggers a thunderstorm, a snowfall, or a heat wave? Welcome to the mysterious world of weather where invisible forces constantly reshape the earth's skies. Today we dive in deep into the science behind changing weather, and it is more incredible than you ever imagined. What is weather? Weather refers to the day-to-day atmospheric conditions like temperature, wind, humidity, precipitation, and air pressure in a specific location. It is not climate. Climate is the long term pattern. Weather is the short term performance. Earth's weather is powered almost entirely by solar energy. Every change begins with the sun. The main forces which are behind weather. The sun, that is known as the ultimate driver. The sun heats earth unevenly. This uneven heating creates areas of high and low pressure. This difference drives winds, storms, and ocean currents. Atmospheric pressure: air moves from high pressure areas to low pressure ones. This created wind. Strong pressure differences lead to storms like cyclones and hurricanes. Moisture and humidity: warm air holds more moisture. When it rises and cools, the water vapor condenses into clouds, then falls as rain, snow, or hail. Oceans and water bodies. Oceans store heat and transport it around the globe. Events like El Nino and La Nina shift global weather pattern, bringing floods or drifts thousands of miles away. Types of weather changes: cloud formation and rain. Air rises, cools, and condenses. When water droplets combine and grow heavy, gravity pulls them down as precipitation. Storms and thunder, caused by rapid rising of warm moist air. This builds massive uh, cumulo- cumulonimbus clouds. Inside them, lightning forms and thunder follows. Snowfall and cold fronts. When moist air meets freezing temperatures, snow crystals form and fall. Cold fronts often push warm air up, triggering sudden weather changes. Tornadoes and hurricanes. They are nature's violent weather engines. Tornadoes spin due to wind shear. Hurricanes form over warm oceans, feeding on moist air and spinning due to the Coriolis effect. Did human impact on weather? Yes, we are affecting the weather, not just the climate. Human activities like urbanization, pollution, and deforestation influence local weather patterns. Urban heat island effect. Cities trap heat, making them hotter than rural areas. Air pollution, pollutants can act as cloud condensation nuclei, increasing or decreasing rainfall depending on conditions. Climate change: a warming planet increases the frequency of extreme weather, heat waves, heavy rainfall, wildfires, and intense storms. How we predict weather? Modern weather prediction is a technological marvel. Satellites and radars, these watch cloud movements, temperature changes, and moisture content from space. Supercomputers and AI, artificial intelligence. Billions of data points proceed every hour to run predictive models. Forecasts have become more accurate, though still not perfect because weather is chaotic by nature. The butterfly effect, a small change in wind in Brazil, could theoretically cause a tornado in Texas. Why understanding weather matters? Understanding weather help us plan our lives, protect property and save lives. It affects farming, transportation, disaster management and even mental health. As the world warms, understanding and adapting to changing weather is more important than ever. Next time clouds gather or a breeze brushes your face, remember you are witnessing a complex ballet of energy, moisture, and motion orchestrated by our planet. Weather is not just what happens outside, it is the breath of Earth itself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing science videos. Let us know in the comments what kind of weather do you love most. If you like my channel, then please subscribe.